Myself Drashti Ripara and I would like to talk about designer research project of design thinking. So I have chosen one of the best American graphic designer, that is Ivan Chermayev. He is the son of Russian-born British architect. He is well known for his work all over the world. He is as famous. Ivan Chermayev rotates through various mediums. His strengths as a designer and illustrator are equally present in collage and printmaking methods. Here you may see the background image, which he exhibited this in his first ever UK solo exhibition. He brought many of the things made by him, like collages, illustrations, posters, publications, and many of identity work. Whenever he makes a collage work, he is fully deep in it and make it in a work like that anyone can appreciate it in no matter how much it is. So here you may see a simple illustration just of a square pieces in it, and it's such a great work it is. It is made through collages, the based collages. He makes beautiful things. Here in the backside you may see the typography he has done so beautifully that never ever anyone can think like that doing on any collages. So there are many things to be said about him. But let's move on to other slide and see that how he had worked in his collages. So here, first you may see that there is an image named Untitled. He made this in 1970. It is made through the process called etching, which was famous in 90s. As still it is famous, but it is too hard. So very less people like to make it in that method. This has an addition of 50 prints. You may buy that. It may be available there. But I should may say that it is a great work. You must go and visit and see that how the great work it is. Then secondly, in 1982, in the second era, Geisha in Amsterdam, he like he made a collages on the rough. He made collected scraps and they done a collage and made a woman. Like it's seriously incredible. And he made it in 23 colors. Like it is impossible to think about such a many colors in this era to be made like this beautifully. So you may go and see the work of him. Then moving secondly to the photo technician. He made a photograph like a camera coming down these strips. You may see red one. It shows that there is a camera and the flash is coming out of it. This is made from scrap paper, and this is done somewhat with a pencil like typography and all, and everything is so beautifully done that we may see a visuality of like that there is a camera going on the shape and a flash coming out, popping up, and like we are ready to pose. So it's a great work. I really like that. And moving to the end of 19th century, 20th century, sorry, that is Lincoln Center film. This he made through collages as well. As you may see, there are the dots. There are some pop-ups coming out, and he made it beautifully by just filming it and giving a perfect look for the film's cover, as you can give it. He presented this in Lincoln Center Film Festival poster, and this is done in the lithograph. It is very great. Moving on to the next, hay bells with the bird. Here you may see that there is a hay bells, and the bird. You may see there is a tail so long, and it looks so great. Like it is unrealistic, I think, but it looks great. And here you may see a eye. As it is not an eye in the scrap paper, it is just a circle, but he combined it and made a proper, complete composition of it. This was made in 2004. So there are many of our works going from centuries to centuries. He improved a lot, and there are many of good things to learn from him and get inspiration from. So moving on to the next work, that is work of logo. He was best in his collage work as well as logos, both in equally. So the first one is US Open logo. US Open has a great tradition that evolved symbols respect the legacy while moving us confidentially into the future. This innovative rendition of a tennis ball perfectly captures the dynamism of our event. US Open is the logo of tennis tournament. While moving on to the next logo, that is NBC logo, which is quite famous. You may know that it is well known and it is made by Ivan Chermayev. Yes, definitely. It is a news channel as the National Broadcasting Company tried a number of different logos over the years, a stylized N on a peacock, but nothing had worked effectively to represent this major network. And then came Ivan, and he made a perfect logo for the brand to be printed on the mic, t-shirts and everywhere, and it looks great and it gives a colorful image which depicts the news channel that it may give all news like sports, gaming, politics, geography and everything you may need. Entertainment, yes, of course. The third one is Flatiron. Flatiron, it is an healthcare technology company providing software and data analytic service to the FDA, cancer researchers and also care provider. Flatiron's learning oncology platform supports over 260 community oncology practices across the US, 10 of 12 life science companies and 3 major academic centers. It is a great work as it is the minimalistic logo, but it represents many things in it. As you can rotate it and see like it's a square and just see that it is a hexagon. It itself it shows many of the shapes. Then moving on to the next logo, that is Chase Bank logo. You may see that, and you may have seen at many places. It is a very famous logo. The blue octagonal mark is the abstract but not without meaning. It has meaning. It has inspired by traditional Chinese coin and with square enclosed in an octagon. You may see it here, the square coin. It suggests a bank vault and by extension nation of security and trust. It combines nations, security and trust. As you may see there here, it combines with this and this. So it's great, and blue color symbols that it is of a trust, security. Moving on to the next logo. This is not a door. You may see that this is a famous logo which is the National Geographical logo. And every kid may have seen that in their childhood. No one can forget this logo, as this was inspired from a magazine cover or border which was of a golden color. So they tried to give it a logo feeling and they made this as a logo of a National Geographical magazine as well as channels. Moving on to the next topic, elements. In this, elements are like shapes and it is simplicity. Principles, concept, minimalistic, it is minimalistic, yes, there is a space, proper spacing between this. Colors are used well and fonts are as minimalistic as that. This is the Mexican broadcast television market, which was long ago dominated by two giants, Televisa and Azteca. In 2016, a third media brand joined them, that was Imagine. Imagine unites several major online, print, radio, and television brands under a single banner with programming in news, entertainment, sports, and lifestyles. You may see that this is a circle and this is a square, but no, that is not that simple as that. There is a meaning, as there was the television and Azteca, both the person who were ruling it, who was ruling Mexican City. So the one who combined both of them was Imagine. So this all three of them makes a perfect logo, and it is as minimalistic. Moving on to next and the last but not least, elements, collage, and it's also emphasizes the phase, principles, proportion, space, repetition, symmetry. You will see here, it is the symmetry. As we line up from the center, then the both parts will be equal. This is the logo of a Borregas, and in this you may see that the logo which it here it is has only three colors in it, like blue, negative. You may see that there he or she he has used only two colors, and it distinguished from 1 to 2 in the symmetry parts, and it gives a bold feeling that how it may look on t-shirts, and it is of a and building on elements familiar to student athletics. The Borges brand's head symbol was reimagined. A three-letter abbreviation for each campus combines with the symbol to create a coherent system. With the new uniforms, helmets, signage, and promotional materials for every sport and campus, the cohesive new identity enhances the visibility and prestige of the university's presence across the nation and beyond. As this is such a great logo that you may see all over, and it looks like, oh, it's grabbing our attention, and it's very great, and it's emphasized that yes, it is like a angry man or something like that, that it will come and just go on and haunt us with their things aside it. But yes, in short, it is a great logo to be emphasized for sports, as everyone are energetic, and it emphasizes that this is energetic logo with the symbol of a blue colors. So thank you. Hope you like my video. Bye bye.